Alright, Lollapalooza Part 2.
Okay, we're here at the Uptown Deli in Whittier, California. We're just about finished with our Lollapaloozas, except for me, I got a pastrami. That's good pastrami. Fuck you.
Yeah, in Whittier, California. This is the biggest freaking sandwich ever. Look at that. Look.
What do you think?
Biggest sandwich I ever made. That's all I have to say.
Hello. As you can see, we're eating Lollapalooza. Now, from my point of view, it's very big, but they need to make bigger. They need to make a Tropapalooza or something, or a Quadripalooza, or a Lollapalooza chingado. But it's really good. As you can see, it has bacon, which is good with eggs. Cheese, my favorite. Roast beef. Tomato, lettuce, white cheese, like John. Ham, turkey, lettuce again, and 3 layers of bread. I just want to say that it's a very emotional experience for me, because I've never shared this experience. I always have McDonald's. Come on. This is the freshest sandwich I've ever eaten. And it's damn bomb. Oh, fuck. Shake your head, shake your head. Yeah. That's the truth.
That's some magic right here.
With some cheese on it.
Alright, let's take a bite.
Your facial expression.
Yeah. So. Hey, look. He's a pussy. Check it out. Look, you see this? These guys.
Oh, fuck.
I talk and eat, and he don't talk nothing else.
Oh, fuck.
Hello?